Once upon a time, in the not-so-distant future, where technology and innovation reigned supreme, there existed a world where certain assets and skills held the key to unimaginable wealth and success. In this tale of prosperity and opportunity, we delve into the 6 highest-paying assets and skills that shape the future fortunes of those who dare to dream big. Artificial intelligence expertise. Meet Alex, a young and brilliant mind who delved into the realm of artificial intelligence at a tender age. With a passion for coding and a thirst for knowledge, Alex honed his skills in machine learning and neural networks. As the demand for AI experts soared, Alex found himself at the forefront of a technological revolution, commanding top dollar for his expertise in creating intelligent systems that revolutionized industries. Sustainable energy innovations. Enter Maya, an environmental enthusiast with a knack for sustainable energy solutions. With climate change looming large, Maya dedicated herself to developing innovative renewable energy sources. Her breakthroughs in solar technology and wind power not only saved the planet, but also lined her pockets with gold as governments and corporations clamored to invest in her green initiatives. Data science mastery. In a world inundated with information, Sarah emerged as a data science prodigy, armed with a keen eye for patterns and a mastery of statistical analysis. She deciphered complex data sets to extract invaluable insights for businesses worldwide. Sarah's ability to predict market trends and consumer behavior made her an indispensable asset, earning her a fortune in the ever-evolving landscape of big data. Cybersecurity expertise. As cyber threats loomed large in the digital age, Ethan rose to prominence as a cybersecurity guru, with a keen understanding of encryption and network security. He safeguarded sensitive information for governments and corporations alike. Ethan's reputation as a hacker-turned-hero earned him lucrative contracts and bountiful rewards, proving that in the age of cyber warfare, cybersecurity was indeed king. Creative content creation. Meet Olivia, a storyteller extraordinaire who captured hearts with her creative content creation skills. From viral marketing campaigns to compelling brand storytelling, Olivia's ability to craft engaging narratives sets her apart in a sea of digital noise. Brands flock to her for her artistic vision, propelling her to the summit of success. As she redefined the art of content creation in the digital age. Emotional intelligence leadership. James emerged as a beacon of emotional intelligence leadership, with a profound understanding of human emotions and interpersonal dynamics. He inspired teams to greatness and fostered a culture of empathy and collaboration. James's ability to lead with compassion and charisma made him an invaluable asset to organizations seeking to navigate the complexities of the human heart in an increasingly digital world.